When you're using MLTV with your students to do live classroom sessions, if you're having problems with video slowing, stopping, breaking up, or the quality going down, this is likely to be due to bandwidth problems. Not enough internet bandwidth to cope with all the video. There's a couple of things you can do to improve this. You need to ask yourself, do the students need to see each other? Or is it enough for the students to see the tutor or teacher? If you think about it, if all the students are viewing the webcams of all the other students, this uses up a lot of bandwidth. But we can set it so that the student only sees their own webcam and the teacher's. To set this up, when you go into MLTV, go to this cogwheel to manage your users and go on Lock Viewers. And all you need to do before the students arrive in the session is just lock their ability to see each other's webcams. They'll still be able to see yours, but not each other's. If you feel that during the session you don't actually need to see the students' webcams at all, you can also lock those so that the students are not transmitting their own webcams. But ideally, during a live teaching session, you do want to be able to see that your students are there and engaged. During the session itself, perhaps after the introduction, it might be an idea just to turn off your own webcam as well. And again, that will reduce the bandwidth being used, and the students can focus on the screen and the teaching that you're doing. The main thing to take away from this session is that it's not necessary to have everyone's webcams showing to everyone throughout an entire session. Turn off the webcams if you want to improve the viewing and sound quality for all your students using MLTV.